Fiona, please join us for a royal ball in honor of your marriage. We can't wait to meet your Prince Charming. Love, Mom and Dad.
Royal ball?
We're not going.
What? Anyone who's turned out to honor Princess Fiona and Shrek, and oh my, the outfits look gorgeous. And look, here comes Sleeping Beauty. Oh.
I hate these ball shows. Flip over to Wheel of Torture.
I'm not flipping anywhere.
Ah, who's this? It's the one, the only.
Why don't you guys go ahead? I'll park the car.
I told you coming here was a bad idea.
They're my parents.
Hello, they locked you in a tower.
Wasn't she supposed to kiss Prince Charming and break the spell? Like to know how it could get any worse.
Hello, Harold. We need to talk.
Actually, Fairy Godmother.
You remember my son, Prince Charming. Fiona and Charming will be together.
Excuse me, I need to have an ogre taken care of.
There's only one fella can handle a job like that.
Pray for mercy from Puss in Boots.
Look out, Shrek! He got a piece!
Hairball.
That is nasty. Oh, Shrek, don't worry. Things just seem bad because it's dark and rainy and Fiona's father hired a sleazy hitman to whack you.
DreamWorks Pictures presents Mike Myers.
Oh, let's keep him.
Say what?
Come on, donkey. Look at him in his wee little boots.
Oh,
Eddie Murphy.
I'm melting! I'm melting!
Cameron Diaz.
Shrek?
And Antonio Banderas.
For you, baby, I could be.
Shrek 2.
Happily ever after potion.
Give me that bottle.
Donkey, you're a...
Stallion, baby! Look at me, Shrek! I'm tight in place! Yeah! What?
Alan Tracy is just your average teenager. Only his home is a closely guarded secret. His family is shrouded in mystery. But when lives need saving,
a forest fire in Vladivostok, typhoon heading for Singapore.
Their elite team is the force the world counts on.
It's a Thunderbird! It's a Thunderbird!
They are the world's ultimate rescue organization.
Reverse main thrusters on my mark. Saving lives is a dangerous business, but it's what we do.
Run it up, boys!
But in a family of heroes,
Wish that was me.
Alan Tracy was always left behind.
Don't you have homework to do or something?
Until...
Fire.
Mayday! Mayday!
he was the last one left.
Who will rescue the rescuers?
I say we have to do something.
It's gonna be dangerous.
We're the Thunderbirds. Our duty is to save those people. The situation's hopeless.
There's still time. We got people on the ground working for us.
Alan, he's just a kid.
He's a Tracy.
Get ready.
Kill them all.
A new generation is coming to the rescue.
Hang on!
This summer, Thunderbirds are go.
Time to thunderize.
Get a visual! Get a visual!
As long as anyone could remember, Lenny was a different kind of shark.
I don't know how else to say this to you, Lenny. You see something, you eat it, period. That's what sharks do. You gotta understand, when you look weak, it makes me look weak. I know. Right here in front of me now, eat this.
Oh, geez, Hop. Here's the thing.
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a good
person.
Oh, no. As long as anyone could remember, Oscar was always in trouble.
It's a sure thing.
He trips underwater. Who trips underwater? And by the way,
On what? That's it.
all right.
I want you to find the deepest, darkest hole in the ocean and put him in it!
No, no.
Then, the little fish told a great white lie.
Oscar, did you kill him?
Yeah, exactly how it looked. That's how it is. Remember this name.
Oscar the Shark Slayer!
You lied! Everybody thinks you slayed the shark!
Coming soon.
You need to slay a shark, and I need to disappear. Here's what we're gonna do.
From the studio that brought you Shrek.
Yo, Angie needs to get her freak on. Come on, Ange. Dance with me, mama.
You might not ever
Look at that.
Let me tell you, it's better than digging
Keep up with me. Don't let me lose you.
Yeah! What'd he do? I can't see it.
Featuring Oscar,
Sharks are coming to get me.
Angie,
Sometimes I want to take your big, dummy head and just...
Lola,
Just show those sharks who's boss.
Lenny,
Here I come. Ta-da!
Don Lino,
I tell you what's what. And what?
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 What? Nothing. You said what first?
I didn't say what first.
and Sykes.
You said and then what? And I said what?
No, I said what?
You said what first?
Shark Tale.
Now snap your fin right on it. Snap it. You're not snapping it.
Oscar.
Oh, hey, don't sweat it. A lot of white fish can't do it.
sometimes if you...
Just like you.
You are?
You're just like me. There's somewhere else we'd rather be. Somewhere that's ours. Somewhere the dreams come true. Yes, I am a girl like you. I'm just like you. I'm just like you. You're just like me. You're just like me. It's something anyone can see. A heart that beats. A heart that beats. A voice that speaks the truth. Yes, I am a girl like you.
There are gajillions of stories of mischief and fun. But to keep things simple, let's start with just one. About a mom and 2 kids and a house and a hat. that oddly enough was worn by a cat. But soon enough, we'll get to all that. In the valley that stretches from this hill to that hill, a city is nestled. That city is Anvil.